Okay, hi. So in response dun sa feedback ng mga nagbabasa nagfo-follow nung wall dun sa Facebook, no. Major exercises actually ang tinatanong nila is napansin ko is all about abdominals. So ang unang-unang i-discuss ko or i-demonstrate is yung abdominal work na pwede mong gawin. Kasi pag sinabing abdominals, it works your front, it works your side, it works your back. So, core training. So, let me go to sa actual exercises na tinatanong ng mga nagbabasa ng blog. So, pwede dito, mag-umpisa, tinatawag natin na plank. Yan. So, coming from, sa beginners, pwede ka mag-umpisa from kneeling down position. Yan. Just make it sure, yung elbows mo under your shoulder. Yan. Knees under. Okay. Tapos, to be able to progress it, pwedeng i-off mo yung knees mo off the ground. So, yan. Pwede maintain mo yan. Okay. Tapos, yung pinakamahirap na progression is actually on arm. Yan. Yung iba, kaya pa nilang 1 foot off. So, yan. Ngayon, pwede mong gawin yung routine na rolling plank. So, off ground. Yan. So, pwede mong as hold, mga 20 seconds. Yan. Or pwede mong bilang. So, inhale. Exhale. So, primarily, ang abdominals is more on toning. So, pwede ka mag-start as 20 counts. So, exhale yan. So, count for every exhale. Ganun. So, ano yung kaya? That's forward rolling plank. Tapos, yung side plank, na in-explain ko rin in the past. So, pag ganyan, so up. Yan. Ganun din. Pwede mo i-hold ng mga at least 30 seconds. Yan. Dapat make it sure yung hip mo hindi nagsasag. So, keep it there. So, imagine mo, pag nag-draw ng line na gano'n, diagonally siya, upward. Yan. Pwede mong lagyan ng konting rotation. Exhale. So, kung kaya mo, at least mga 10 counts. Yan. Pwede mo i-progress. Dilift mo isa. Ganyan. So, may work na rin dito. Hindi lang basta abdominals. So, pag ganyan. Yan. So, i-hold mo. Ganyan. So, yung kanina, from front to side, pwede mong targetin din yung lower back kasi part din yun ng core. So, pwedeng nakaganyan. Yan. I-hold mo siya. Yan. Ganyan. So, pwede mong haluan ng konting oblique workout which is yung muscles na oriented diagonally sa ilalim. So, pag ganon, exhale. Yan. So, remember, general toning on the abdominals needs a lot of repetition. So, at least mga 10 counts. Exhale. Ganun. Tapos, sa bilang side. Yun yung tatlong main abdominal workouts na pwede ko i-recommend.